Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today, back in Glasgow again. Gonna be recording a new video, just earning some money. Second video back of the year. As you can see, I've got a new camera. It's a 360 camera, so hopefully the angles are gonna be pretty fun. I've also got a wind cover, so hopefully the audio sounds better. Let's get online and see if we got our first order. Okay, we got the first order. I don't think I'm gonna do that. £6 for how far I need to go. Probably not worth it. Okay, we got a £9 order. Kind of far, but not too bad. But it's fine. Got the Greggs. Found out my gear is not working, so that'll be fun.
No problem, mate. There you are, right? Take care.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh. Now we go to Boots. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, at the customer's house. This is the Greggs drop-off. Right. This is nice. 9938? 35, perfect. 9935. Perfect. Have a lovely day. Yeah, at the customer's house. Whew. Been a long ride. But got like 20 minutes left of the hour. Plenty of time to make some more money. Oops, sorry. There you go. Perfect, there you go.
Thank you.
Have a lovely night. Okay, 10 minutes round trip. Finish this on the hour. Put us on 13 quid, not bad at all. Thank you. Yes. Oh no! Oh, I'm so sorry. It seems like the latte's spilled out the bottom of the bag. I'm so sorry. Have a good night. I'm so sorry again. Oh, joy. A very nice lady McDonald's helped me clean up my bag. Gave me some kitchen roll and napkins stuck on the side of the bag in case another spill. Thank you, that lady. Whew. Look at this giant ass thing coming. What the hell? Okay, we got a delivery. Just a little £3 one, but it's only a mile away, so not bad at all. Whew. It's a bit quiet for a Saturday night. Thanks. Thank you. Oh. At the customer's house. Yeah. Student com. Oh, another delivery. 4 quid for 18 minutes. That's what we like. That's going into town as well. This is good stuff. Hiya.
Hello.
There you go. Finished off, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. That's everything. Have a lovely night. Oh, at Mickey D's, I got a bonus order added to it for like £1.60, 70. But it was in the direction I was going anyway, so no reason to not take it. Oh, it's gonna be a wait. I can tell. Oh, absolute hell of a wait. But are you on the back now? Like 10 minutes in there, maybe? I don't know. Oh, and my power bank's just turned itself off. I'd love to see it. Ooh. Steep hill, nice downhill to the next one, but at the customer's house. And these are nice houses. We got another order. Hers for £3.60 for like 2 minutes of work. Love to see it. And we are basically already at the customer's house as well. Oh. There you go, man. Have a lovely night.
B69.
Alright, no, I think he's got me there. Thanks. Thank you, have a good night. Whoa, 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 whoa. 3 miles for £12. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'll love to see that. Whoa. Hiya. Yes.
Thanks very much.
I'm good. Ooh, ooh. Your water, good catch.
Okay.
Have a lovely night. At the restaurant. In the bottom of a house. It's pretty cool actually. Hopefully this is ready. Yeah. That bread needs bread. Hopefully it's ready again. Another one of these restaurants that are real good. Sorry.
Thank you very much, man. Cheers.
6-minute delivery. Love to see it. Let's get going.
Lovely.
There you go.
Thanks very much.
Have a lovely night. Go on, McDonald's order back into town. I'll take that. And we're by the customer's house. Easy peasy. Hiya. Perfect. There you go.
Brilliant.
Have a lovely night. Alright. At the McDonald's. Perfect. Okay, that was a £7 order, but I think we're crossing over into Govan, so we might have to be using the Clyde Tunnel, which is not amazing. Yeah. Okay, so at the customer's house, we got another £7 order, but I couldn't see where it was because I wasn't in the app, and I couldn't get back to the app, so I just accepted it. But I might be rejecting it if, when I can see how far it is, I like cancel. Have a lovely night. Okay, so wait, what the hell is this way? Okay, I'm gonna accept that because I will now be able to see where the first one's going. Oh no, apparently not. But should be going in the same direction. I don't mind going that way, but if it's not, here's to hoping, guys. Here's to hoping. Pillows is just up here anyway. They're too far and there's too much of a wait. It's not enough for me. Oh, so cancel that. What the hell? Okay, we got a £9 delivery. Double, just past Kelvinside Park, so I think we'll do that. Oh, much better than these stupid Annie's Land deliveries. Like, who does it think I am?
Sir, alright, can you accept it?
Thanks. Almost at the drop-off location. My phone's gotten wet. 1876, perfect. Have a lovely night. Hey, we've got another delivery for £4, but it's back the way we came, so we're going to take that because that was perfect. Look how quiet it was there. Thank you. Have a lovely night. We've got a lot of beacons tonight. We've got a bonus order. Oh, another £5. Going, oh, we'll take that. It's only an extra mile apparently, but Uber's never too good with it. Oh no, shouldn't actually be too bad. It's still heading back into town where I like to sit. Whew. Rumbongo right there. Yep. Thank you. Sorry. Okay, we're almost at the Chippy CAC. That's it here on the right. Oh, pretty nice view cycling through University Road. Quite like it. Tiring, but it's nice. Ooh. Ooh. Thanks. Look at this incredible cycle infrastructure. Cycle spot to go through, car straight there. What the hell are they thinking? Because there's actually a gap. You couldn't just do straight parking lights and take one away. Did I just miss? And complaining about terrible infrastructure, maybe missed the street. Got to love it. Hiya. There you go. Have a lovely night. This is definitely the last order unless I get a crazy one, like right away after. Because I want to go home and have some lovely dinner. Oh. Hiya. Do you the delivery code? Perfect. There you go, man. Have a lovely night. Is that my 500th order? 500 orders and mostly part-time doing it. You know, it's not bad at all. I'm glad I got that on a video. And I'm glad that guy was absolutely baked out of his mind. And companies owe everything I do Uber for. Oh, let's get going. Finished off the shift. Tips have all rolled in, got a couple of tips. And we were out for 4 hours, 10 minutes of delivering, and with home time 4 hours, 30 minutes, so not bad. And we made £75, which was from £67 and £8 of tips, which not bad at all. It gave us an hourly rate of £16.81 an hour, which I know it was a Saturday night, but I thought the Christmas boom had died down, but I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you liked the new camera angles and everything I was doing. So stick around, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.